To install Git on Windows 10, first you have to open your browser, then go to the git-scm.com, and click the blue button in the middle of the screen which says, Download for Windows. On the next page, you will see a link in the beginning which says, click here to download. Clicking this link will download the Git installer on your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file, and select Run when prompted. Keep clicking Next, as all of the default and recommended settings are suitable for most beginner users. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now go to your work or any other folder. Create a test project folder, and go inside it. Click on File from the top left window menu, and select Windows PowerShell. On the PowerShell window, type git-help, and press Enter, and if it shows you available Git commands, it means that Git has been successfully installed. Now type Git init, and press Enter, and it will initiate a fresh Git repository. Create a test file in the current folder. Go back to the PowerShell, and enter git add bot. It will add the current uncommitted files to the repository. Let's try to make a commit at this point. Enter git commit -m, and a sample message first. It will ask for your identity. Type git config -user.email, and write your email. Next step is to enter git config -user.name, and enter your name. After that, let's try the previous commit step again. This time, the commit shows it has successfully saved changes of one new file. Hope you have learned the basics of installing Git on Windows 10. For more Git tutorials, please subscribe to our channel.